How to teach your dog to sit. This method you'll learn today is called capturing. Step 1. Stand in front of your puppy, holding some of his food or treats. Step 2. Wait for him to sit. Say yes and give him a treat. Step 3. Then step backwards or sideways to encourage him to stand and wait for him to sit. Step 4. Give another treat as soon as they sit. Step 5. After a few repetitions, you can begin saying sit right as he begins to sit. And remember, never physically put your puppy into the sitting position. This can be confusing or upsetting to some dogs.